Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time, and as promised, I'm here for that video on the best herbs for nursing moms. So just so you know right off the bat, I'll be linking you to a few different sites that have a lot of these things that I pulled together that go into deeper explanation about each herb, and also one of them includes the best ways to take it, dosages, and so on. But the main thing I wanted to do here was just to compile a bunch together so you can look into it for yourself. And my more recent video that is a part of this full series that I've been working on for quite a few years was the best herbs for pregnancy. You might want to go check that one out. I'll link to that video specifically, but I'll also give you the link to the full playlist if you'd like to scroll through there and see what other videos I have like this, where I've compiled lists for various ailments or just things to help with the health of different parts of your body, be it your hair, your liver, your kidneys, or your lungs. So you might be interested in that. So don't forget to, if you want to find that description box, you got to click on more or show more somewhere right down here below the video screen to open up the description box and find all the information and links I'll be putting in there. The first part of this list is the biggest part, and these herbs are all herbs that are great to help with lactation in general, increasing milk production, but they also each have other benefits. Now remember, part of the idea of having a list of several different things is if something doesn't work for you, or you're allergic to or can't have that particular herb or food, some of these are foods, then you may have to switch to something else. So that's why it's nice to have something where you have a nice list to choose from. So you don't have to take all of these things, you just got to find what's going to work best for you. So starting off with this first half to help with just general lactation is marshmallow, dill, oats, caraway, blessed thistle, barley, hops, anise seed, fenugreek, chasteberry, fennel seed, milk thistle, goat's rue, alfalfa, shatavari, garlic, nettle, and then moving into some foods, you've got your healthy fats like avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, butter, etc. Healthy meats, so you're looking for meats that are as naturally raised as possible and haven't been shot up with a bunch of stuff. Also eggs, legumes, dark leafy greens, some healthy fruits like berries and so on. Again, all organic as you can possibly get. Now, some things to avoid that can actually be counterintuitive to milk production would be sage, parsley, peppermint, and jasmine. Now, here are a few more herbs that can just be good for your general health, be it helping to boost your immune system and more, but are also safe to take while you're nursing, would be echinacea, black elderberry, lemon balm, ashwagandha, and ginger. And then also look into herbs that are good for your general skin health that can also help with sores and cracks, things like a calendula salve or even chamomile. I would also suggest plantain. So whether it be a salve you made from calendula and plantain, or just calendula alone, or chamomile, any blend of these. And I'm sure there are many other skin benefiting herbs that are also very healing that would work well. I just know that you also have to be careful, because unless you're cleaning yourself well before you're nursing, there may be some of these herbs that might not be recommended for the baby. So comfrey is something that I might stay away from in that case, just to be on the safe side. So there's my list for that. And again, don't forget to check out the sites I'll be linking you to that can give you far more information on all these various things. And if you have any suggestions as a nursing mom or one who has been through this, no matter what your age is, please share them in comments down below so people who are looking for good information to help themselves and their babies can learn from you as well. And thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.